Hello everyone, welcome to my new video and welcome to my channel Coding World. In the previous video, we learned about the Python, the overview of Python, and we installed Python and we ran the first script of Python. So in this video, we will discuss how to set up a Python environment. So Python is a language and we need an editor and a compiler to run our code and to test our code. So let's set the Python environment. So for setting up Python environment, you need to download some software. So here we can see this is the Anaconda Navigator. Here the official website of Anaconda Navigator. Here you can download according to your OS version. So if you download the Anaconda Navigator, here are the softwares. You can see there are a lot of editors and the software you can use for your Python coding. So I am using the Spider. This is specially designed for Python. If you don't want to download this Anaconda whole environment, you can simply download this Spider software from their official website. So this is the official website of Spider, and you can also use the VS Code. The VS Code, if you download the VS Code, you can use it for multiple purposes, for web development and but you need to install the extension in here. You can see my VS Code, Visual Studio Code. When you first open the Visual Studio Code, you need to install the extension. So here in the extension section, you can just simply type here Python, and it will search out and show you this thing. Because I already downloaded it, so here you can install the Python extension in your VS Code, and then you can use Python on your Visual Studio Code. So, and if you download the Spider, as I mentioned earlier, this is especially for the Python. I recommend you should download the Spider, and I say you should download the Anaconda environment. Okay, so this is our editor. We can write code here, and we can test and compile the code here. Let's say print hello world. Okay, let's run this. Here you can see this icon. By clicking this icon, we can run the file. Okay, here you see our code is working. And one more thing, I'm gonna explain what is syntax. So basically, syntax is the method to write something. In English language, we can say the syntax is just like a grammar for English writing. So here in the programming, every language have a method to write the code. So this method is called syntax. Python have its own syntax. We will discuss these things later in our videos. So thank you so much. Please do subscribe my channel and like my video.